Hello everyone, welcome to the class. In the previous class, we understood the concept of twinkling stars. Why do stars twinkle and why do planets do not twinkle? In today's class, we are going to understand the effect of atmospheric refraction. When I say atmospheric refraction, then the two examples come in mind, basic examples. Those are the sunrise and the sunset. What happens in the sunrise and what happens in the sunrise? Let's understand now. By sunrise, we mean the appearance of the sun above the horizon. That means we get to see the sunrise before the sun actually rises. मतलब कि sun practically rise नहीं होता है, scientifically rise नहीं होता है, but we get to see it above the horizon. Let us now understand what is the reason behind this. The Earth's atmosphere has different atmospheric layers and the density of these layers is also different. As we move away from the surface, that is as we go above, height increase करते जाते हैं तो इनका density कम होता जाता है. The optical density decreases. That means the sun rays will be coming from rarer medium to the denser medium. As we know, the heavy gases are on the surface of the earth. So that is this part is our denser medium and this part will be rarer medium. Now, as let's consider sun here, the sun here. So as the light rays coming from the sun, here, the coming from the less dense medium to less dense medium, that is air here, air, less dense medium to more dense medium, that is air, again air, it gets refracted downward. What do I mean? Let us understand. So here, this light is the horizon. मतलब sun को हम we can see we are seeing the sun above the horizon, but actually it is below the horizon. So what happens? So as the light rays are coming from the sun and reaches to the layer of the atmospheric layers, okay, layer of the atmosphere, it gets refracted and it bends towards the downward, basically downward. And it keeps happening until it reaches to the earth's surface. So what is happening? The जो सन की रेज है यहाँ पे ये रेरर मीडियम एयर से डेंसर मीडियम एयर में आ रहे हैं, तो ये क्या हो रहा है, यहाँ पे रिफ्रैक्शन हो रहा है एज दीज आर पासिंग थ्रू द अर्थ एटमॉस्फेयर. नाउ दिस मीन्स द सनलाइट actually reaches to the earth's surface in a curved path. So what happens with the observer who is observing the sunrise? So let's understand this. So what happens? The sun observer sees these light. So यहाँ से ये ऐसा समझो कि ये लाइट ये स्ट्रेट लाइन ट्रेवल करेगा, राइट? So यहाँ से ऑब्जर्वर ऑब्जर्व करता है. So the observer sees the sun here above the horizon. The observer sees the sun above the horizon. But actually, what is happening? Now you understand what is happening. The sun is below the horizon. So actual position of the sun is this, but the apparent position, the apparent means which is not true but seems to be true. The apparent position of the sun is here, and the observer sees the sun from the earth's surface to this position. This is the reason behind that when we get to see the sunrise before the sun actually rises, and this phenomena is known as इफेक्ट ऑफ एटमॉस्फेरिक रिफ्रैक्शन. ये किस वजह से हो रहा है? एटमॉस्फेयर के रिफ्रैक्शन की वजह से हो रहा है कि जो सनलाइट्स रेजेस आ रही हैं यहाँ पे अर्थ एटमॉस्फेयर में, तो दे आर गेटिंग रिफ्रैक्टेड. सो हियर वी कैन से बिकॉज ऑफ एटमॉस्फेरिक रिफ्रैक्शन वी सी द सन इवन बिफोर इट इमर्जेस आउट अबव द होराइजन. तो हमें ऊपर ये दिखाई देता है. सेम थिंग हैपेंस at the time of sunset, that we keep seeing the sun for a short while. कुछ समय के लिए हम देख पाते हैं सन को. After it goes below the horizon, मतलब कि सन सेट हो चुका है फिर भी हम सन को देख पाते हैं. And this is also the phenomena of atmospheric refraction. I hope you guys understood it. Thank you so much.